Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in your Lincoln Continental key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the emergency key blade. This key is essential for the next step. Now, carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver into the slot where the key blade was, and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This will help ensure you insert the new battery correctly. Using a small, non-metallic tool, or even your fingernail, carefully pry the old battery out of its compartment. The battery is usually a CR2032 coin cell, a common type found in many key fobs. Now it's time to insert the new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Carefully place the new battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Gently press down on the battery until it clicks securely into place. A proper fit is crucial for good contact and functionality. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into position. Now, head to your Lincoln Continental and test all the key fob's functions to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.